So hello student, welcome to your PDA Education. So as you know, we have started a series where we keep on updating and informing you people about various opportunity in foreign admission. So in continuation of that series, today I am here with one more opportunity that is available with Technical University of Denmark. So this is a great opportunity for Indian students and it is for PhD in electrical engineering. So this time they are asking PhD fellow for a specific or particular project which is sound field analysis and acoustic signal processing. Before going into brief discussion, who are the suitable candidate, what background a student should have if he is trying to explore this opportunity, and finally who should apply for this. So let us talk about some necessary and information related to this project, right? So the very first is about the deadlines. So if you are looking forward to explore this opportunity, then you need to apply well before 30th August 2021. So this is the last deadline. And second thing, this position is funded. So you are definitely going to get allowances, salary and scholarship. So this position is funded by an internal DTU grant and a research project granted by the Willem Foundations. And it is a research collaboration project, right? So the PhD project is part of research collaboration with Aalto University. Second thing, what is the brief objective and central crux or central part of this project, what you are expected to perform, so that you can get a fair amount of idea what background you should have. So a central element of the project is to examine sampling method and sensor network for sound field reconstruction used to capture the defining property of room and achieve a realistic reproduction of the measured acoustic field. So this is the domain for which they are looking the PhD fellow, right? Now what are the requirement and responsibility? As I told you, whenever any organization or university ask a student or PhD fellow for some specific project, then they wanted you to know something. They are expecting something from you. You must have at least some work exposure to the background they are looking into. So responsibilities and qualification, we are looking for a highly motivated candidate with a master degree and experience in the acoustic and signal processing. And very important, a background in the acoustic is necessary for this project. If you have a knowledge and you are well accustomed with the tools of signal processing, then that is an add-on advantage. But acoustic knowledge and experience and background is must. So there are some other domain they have mentioned: acoustic, which is necessary part. Second, acoustic signal processing. Third, physics and wave propagation. Then spatial audio. Then numerical optimization and inverse problem. And good communication skills are also an asset for the position. See, when we talk about acoustic now, so it means it is a science which is concerned with the creation, transmission, reception, reproduction, control, manipulations of sound, vibration and their effect. So you talk about any of the acoustic, infrastructure acoustic, you talk about underwater acoustic, you talk about airborne vibration, you talk about structure vibration, you talk about the entertainment acoustic, you talk about the manufacturing acoustic. Always, if you have worked in any of the domain in developing and designing the tools and technology that can solve the problem related to sound, then you are a good potential candidate for this project. It means you might be knowing the basic fundamental and at least you have that initial exposure what they are looking for. See, in the field of acoustic, there are always two parameters. One is the monitoring and controlling of the sound, and how clearly you can improve the clarity of sound, and second thing is noise reduction and how efficiently you are at employing the different technique to reduce the effect of noise. So with the knowledge of sound and vibration, if you are capable to achieve this objective and you have some introductory knowledge to DSP, digital signal processing, you are good at data analysis and you are good about finite element analysis, then that is that add-on advantage for your profile. You can prove your candidate more efficiently. So there is a learning domain for the current student who are doing their masters and BTech in this domain. What research project they should choose? I always keep on telling you people, whatever research project you choose, that should be something which solve or which is the solution for any of the real world existing problem. So if you talk about acoustic and signal processing, combine them together effectively, then I think you can think of providing solution for the sound insulation, because sound insulation is the biggest issue of any of the sectors. If you are keeping the structure parameter into mind, then you can explore different possibility of sound insulation by exploring the use of metamaterial and some other materials. So for that you need to analyze how the sounds and its parameter are affected by the different materials. Second thing, outdoor concerts is the biggest source of noise, and noise is having a negative impact on the quality of life. So how you can apply the real-time sound field acoustic analysis to control and monitor that effect, that is also domain you can explore. Everybody in today's world want a better sound reproduction system. You can work toward that domain. I wanted a clean ultrasound image. You can work toward that domain. Everybody wanted their, whatever concerts hall is that sounds better. You can, work toward the betterment of that. These are all the real world existing phenomena. So if you have done some work related to this domain, then you are the suitable candidate and you can prove your candidature efficiently with this project. You should explore this opportunity. Fine. Now, you must have at least a 2-year master degree or a similar degree with academic level equivalent to 2-year master degree. So apart from physics background, if you have done even your masters in signal processing, data analysis, data analytics, even though you are a good customer for this, right? Then approval and enrollment, definitely there is funding and scholarship. Then the appointment will be based on the collective agreement with the Danish Confederation of Professional Associations. The allowances will be agreed upon the relevant union. The period of the employment is 3 years. Next is, what is the application? Please submit your online application no later than 30th August 2021 according to Danish time. And these are the document, or your file must include a letter motivating the applications, cover letter, then CV, grade transcript, and Excel sheet with translation of grades to the Danish grading system, and they have provided certain guidelines for this. So I think I had made my point very clear in this video. What the information you can access from this opening and this profile, whether you are currently doing your BTech or MTech, in what direction you need to think, how you need to choose your research project if you're looking forward your PhD and you want to work in the industry which is related to some acoustic and signal processing. So if you have chosen your research project very well in efficient direction, then that is going to bridge your ahead journey really well. Thank you.